What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Coop, and we're out here. I'm gonna give you guys another POV in the F82 M4. We are out on one of the most beautiful days. Check it out. Hold on, let me make sure I can hold the steering wheel right. Check it out. One of the most beautiful days out here on the road, making it happen once again. So when I get around to it, I'm going to be removing the trunk lid spoiler. I'm going to take that off, and we're going to get an even bigger one. We're going to get an even bigger one, put that one on the back, and we're going to try to just make it look a little bit like, you know, a little bit cool. So stick around, let's find some spots. You know, the concept here is tighter circles, wider circles, and then arcs. So that's what I'm going to be practicing until I get good, and then you know, and we'll just keep going from there. Let's get to it.
I-95 north for 20 miles.
Tires were bad, jump, even Oh man, I don't know, guys. Doesn't look like we're gonna be able to do any sliding today, but I'll tell you what I am gonna do. I'm gonna get rid of this wing we have on the back because we're gonna get an even bigger and better wing. So I'm just going to, hopefully I can get it off. If not, I know I put it on there really good. Sheesh. Hold on for a second, boys. All right, let me get myself in this light. There's all the light at. All right, so that's gonna be it, man. We're not gonna be doing any sliding in the mineral gray mayhem. And that's it. I am gonna be removing the wing off the back though. So we will get an even bigger wing. That's right. And do some lowering. So we can make this thing look more, you know, people will be like, oh, that's cool. So that's gonna be it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be afraid to hit that like button. It's free. I'm out. After an intense battle, I got it off. I put this thing on since we first bought this car. How does it look? Ooh. I don't know. I kind of like it. It has a bit of a lip on it already. But, you know, you gotta do something a little bit better. This color is really, I like the way this color, it has like some, like what is it? Flakes in it. So it's this crazy silver, gunmetal, metallic. I love it. I love it. Let's put this in the trunk. I'm gonna get out of here. And I will see you guys next week.